Hey, this is great. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, give us thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Today I want to show you how to install wheel spacer on FlySpur. Spray brake cleaner, then clean the rust. Wipe it down with towels to make sure the wheel spacers stay fresh and installed correctly. Then install the Bonus Forge lightweight plus wheel spacer. There is no gap between a high-quality wheel spacer and a wheel hub. Once again, this is Grace. If you like our videos, give us thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 哎呀，拜拜，拜拜，拜拜。